Good morning, everyone. My name is Tina. I'm the Creative Gemini. Welcome to 60 and Taking My Body Back. Today, I'm going to show you an exercise, a shoulder press exercise, using the stabilizer ball. I've got my water here. Water is really important when you're working out. I've got a little pinch of sea salt in here to help add some electrolytes in rather than drinking a sugary sport drink. You don't need that. You want to put nice clean water into your body. It's really important to drink water during your exercise and after, and of course before, because when you sweat, you're going to work out the fat, and toxins are going to come out through your pores, through your sweat, right? Okay, so here we go. Put my water down. I'm going to grab my ball. I want to make sure that when I'm sitting on this ball that my legs, my feet are planted, shoulder width apart, right? The great thing about stabilizer ball is, well, exactly that. It's a stabilizer ball. So when you're lifting weights, sorry, I'm going to get a little centered here. When you're lifting weights and you're sitting on a stabilizer ball, you're actually bringing other muscle group into that, your core muscles. So you're going to bring your abdominal muscles, your back muscles are going to kick in, right? So you're kind of getting a couple workouts in one, right? So I've actually tried to take this video a few times today. My arms are actually getting a little tired, but I'm going to go through one set of hopefully 10 to maybe 15 repetitions. I, at one time, actually used to lift quite a heavy weight doing shoulder presses, probably 35 pounds per side, but it's been several years since I've done weight training, so I'm really dialing it down. I've got, I believe, 12 pounds on each dumbbell that I've got dialed in here, and so we're just gonna hit it. Let's go. Grab my weights, bring them up to the center of my body, right? So the other thing that I want to really explain to you is your breathing. Breathing is really important. You want to make sure that when you're exerting force, that's when you're blowing your air out. You don't ever want to breathe in air when you're exerting, right? You're going to breathe in the air when you're relaxing or on your eccentric portion of your exercise. Let's bring these up. What I'm going to do, we're going to press them up and then we're going to twist. Put a little twist to it and bring even more muscles into it. Here we go. 1, 2. The actual muscle that we're working here is the medial deltoid. That's the center muscle on your shoulders. There are secondary muscles that are kicking in here. Of course, the trapezius, which is your traps, right? The lats are kicking in a little bit on the eccentric going down, and probably a little bit of the anterior deltoid as well. I'm not sure how many reps I got there. I'm going to kick out a few more. What you want to do is you don't want to just stop. If you get to 10 and you're not tired or haven't really done anything, you want to kick out a few more, because really what you want to do is fatigue the muscles, right? So basically, I think I did 10, I'm not sure, I didn't count, but it was enough. I could feel it was enough, right? I didn't want to get unstable. Let me put these weights down. So now what we want to do, normally we get up, you want to walk around, you want to keep, or move around, you want to keep the blood flowing, right? You want to use your time in between your sets to do your stretching. When you stretch between your exercises, it actually lets you take on a little bit more, right? So if you're not sure how to stretch, it's pretty much the opposite motion of doing the exercise, and you can feel it, right? I'm going to shake my arms out, take a little drink. Now the other thing that I really want to talk about is focus. It's really important when you're working out or you're in the gym. You know, I actually didn't like going to gyms much because everybody was so chatty all the time. And it's like, I'm not here to chat, you know, I'm here to focus, and focus is really important. You want to focus not only on your workout, but you every time you do an exercise, you want to focus on that muscle. You put your attention to that muscle. When you put your attention to that muscle, it's amazing how much you actually engage it, right? So let's do another set here. Bring it up. And I'll count this time. Well, now what you're going to find is that as you're getting through your sets, your arms are going to get tired, right? And that's a good thing. If they don't get tired, you need to keep going. Do a couple more repetitions and really try and wear them out. Now I think I'm at 7. I feel my left arm getting a little unstable, so I'm going to do 8. And I'm going to stop there. You don't want to push yourself too much because honestly, especially if you're a starter or just a beginner, I want you to be able to move your arms in the next couple of days. You may not feel it tomorrow, but you'll probably feel it the second or third day. And if you really push yourself too hard, I mean, you are not going to be able to move your arms. So that was a shoulder press using the stabilizer ball. Super easy. You actually don't even need to use weights for this if you're a true beginner. Just air weights, you know, just do the motions, right? Even the movement is important. And then as you feel that you're getting stronger, just add some resistance into it. So I hope this helped you out. Hit the like button, save it to your favorites, use it when you work out. I'll see you tomorrow with my next exercise. Have a great day.